PPE gowning. I'm gonna grab my gown. I'm gonna check for tears. Then I will put it on. Try to do it in time frame. And the back will be covered completely.
This is what I did. I did this.
Prior to putting this on, I had already washed my hands. I will put on my gloves. Over the cuff. I will knock on the door, do my opening procedure, notify the patient what care is being given, and provide the care needed, and then I will do closing procedure and remove my gown. I will start with the glove first. Dispose. And then I will untie and untie. And then I will go under and pull, dirty to dirty, pull away, dispose, and wash my hands.